Ternary means composed of 3 parts. In Python, a ternary operator uses 3 parts to condense an if-else statement into a single line. For example, this statement multiplies x by 2 if some condition is true, otherwise it divides x by 2. To convert this to a ternary operator, we first identify the condition, the expression to execute if the condition is true, and the expression to execute if the condition is false. To convert this to a ternary operator, we first extract the true expression from the if-else branch, then the condition, then the false expression. We can then assign x to this expression. By doing this, we create a ternary operator, otherwise known as a conditional expression. These 2 statements are now equivalent. The conditional expression condenses the if-else branch into one line of code. Here's a more practical example. If isLoggedIn is true, we set the status variable to the string active, otherwise we set it to inactive. The condition is isLoggedIn. We set status to active if the condition is true, and inactive if the status is false. We can then assign the status variable to the true expression if the condition is true, otherwise we assign it to the false expression. These statements are now equivalent. If you found this video helpful, please follow me on these other platforms.